dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and welcome back to your next English class. You know me very well. This is your Nupur ma'am. And as you have to give your unit test, so it is very near about us. So I just have given you the last video about the revision chapters, right? And I have told about the chapter's name, as I have told already about Gopal and the Hilsa and the squirrel. Already it is done. So last day I told to read this chapter, Wonder. It is from your Living English. I have added this chapter. You remember. And from grammar already I have discussed so many questions with you, and you know the pattern of grammar. So I just thought that I will discuss some questions from this chapter with you. Okay, you know the pattern, but I want to discuss with you as it will help you for the future. But don't think that which question I am discussing today, that those questions will come in your exam. No, not that. But that kind of question you will get in your exam. Okay, so I hope you have read this chapter very finely. I hope you have read this chapter. You remember about August, who is August, and who is summer. And I have told you what is the matter of August, who is he. You have to remember this, and these meanings, all the meanings you have to read. I have told you this. Then you, for the first part you will get the information about August, and the second part you will get. Second part is narrated by August friend, new friend Summer, right? And there the picture is also there, and there are so many discussion, there are so many lines, and I have discussed these few questions in my last video, and I have told you to read this to yes, read these questions answers, because it will help you for your MCQ question also, and for your 2 marks or 3 marks questions also, right? So today I have arranged some MCQ questions for you, so I think it will help you. Definitely I want to discuss with you. You can see I have arranged wait a minute. You can see the questions. There are lots of questions, so see. First, from MCQ, from literature portion I have made, and from literature means only this, from this chapter Wonder. Okay, because already I have discussed so many questions from Gopal's and Hilsa, and Gopal and Hilsa fish, and that chapter which name is squirrel. Already I have discussed so many MCQ type of questions from those chapters. Today I want to discuss with you MCQ types of question from Wonder chapter. Then see, who was August? These are ordinary questions I have made for you. This will help you for your future exam. Okay, who was August? There you will get options. 4 options will be there, and you have to select an option, and you will get a box like this after each and every option. So you have to select only one, right? Yeah. So who was August? Read. August was an ordinary 10-year-old kid, or August was a player, August was a very clever person, or August was very serious. What do you think? You will get this in the first paragraph of this chapter Wonder, and there is so many lines about August, and you will get this line also. So I think this should be the answer. August was an ordinary 10-year-old kid. I think it should be. Okay, so whenever you will check the book, you will check the chapter, you can see there this answer you will get there. See the book in the first paragraph. Why I didn't go to school? I know I am not an ordinary 10-year-old kid. Okay, you get this line? Yes, I was telling this. See, yes, see the next, homeschooled. This word you will get inside the chapter. I think you already got, and I will, and again and again I'm telling, read the all meanings inside the chapter. There are so many meanings written inside the chapter, so you have to read all meanings, and spelling also. Whenever you will write 2 marks or 3 marks answer, this spelling will help you, right? See, homeschool means a popular video game, or taught at home instead of in school, or a doll, or a student's name. Similarly, you will get a box after the exam. Right? So I think homeschool means which student is not going to school for any due to any reason, due to any problem. He or she is getting their education at home instead of school, right? This means that. So a popular video game are taught at home instead of in school. I think this is right. See the next question. Who was August's new friend? This you will get in the front of the chapter. At the above portion there is written a paragraph like, so you will get these answers there. So who was August's new friend? Zombie or Summer or Via or Ximena Chen? Who? I hope you can understand. Summer is his new friend, right? Okay. If I will ask you who is Via? Via is August's sister. What is Zombie? Zombie is a nickname of August, was given by his schoolmate. And Ximena Chen is a teacher, right? I hope you remember. Okay. Go to the next portion. Next question. See. Wait a minute. Actually, yeah. See, this is a line. I had warned mom about August's face. Someone is telling I had warned mom, that he's telling he had warned his mom or her mom about August's face. Okay, so here the word I, you can see this word I. I means who. You have to guess. I means who. I had warned mom about August's face. I means who. You will get this line inside the chapter. Okay. So, what is the answer? August himself, Ximena Chen, Summer, or Summer's mother? I means who. Who is giving warning to his or her mother? I hope this is Summer. You will get this line inside the chapter. You can see. Wait, I am giving you this line. See, I had warned mom about August's face. I had described what he looked like. I did this because I know she is not always so good at faking her feelings. I hope you can understand. I means Summer, right? Okay. Okay. So I mean Summer. Next question. I ride my bike. I ride my bike. This is on another line. I ride my bike. Someone is telling that he or she is riding his own bike. Here the word I means who. I means who. August himself. August. Summer. Julian. Via. Before giving the answer, you have to remember all the person. Who is August? That 10-year-old kid, right? Who is Summer? August's friend. Julian. Who is Julian? This is also another August classmate, schoolmate. And who is Via? Via is August's sister. So who can tell this line? I ride my bike. You will get this line in the at the starting of the chapter. See, read the lines. Why I didn't go to school? I know I'm not an ordinary 10-year-old kid. I mean, sure, I do ordinary things. I eat ice cream, I ride my bike, I play ball, I have an Xbox. Stuff like that makes me ordinary. I gaze and I feel ordinary inside. Okay, so I hope you got this answer, right? Yeah. So, this should be August himself. Okay, so this is one and another advice to you. Read all the chapter, all the lines before, because from anywhere, from inside the chapter, anywhere may question come in MCQ portion. Okay, so this is my request to all of you students. Please read all the chapters. Don't depend only exercises. Don't depend on the exercises, because there may be so many questions which are coming from inside the chapter. Just like this, these are the lines. So if you don't read all the chapters, so you can understand who said these and who is these. Okay, see, Next is also another line. This is there is nothing instruction, so you have to understand. See, the last surgery I had was, there is a blank, means you can understand this is filling the blanks. Okay, in exam time maybe you will get this question, filling the blanks. Okay, the last surgery I had was dash months ago. Dash months ago. So who said this? Before giving the answer, you have to remember who said this. And answers are 7, 8, 2 or 5. How many months? I hope you remember. If you can't remember, then go to the chapter, inside the chapter, read the all lines, you can get this answer. So the last surgery I had was 8 months ago. You can see this line inside the chapter. If you have read already, you can give this answer. Okay, next question. She was shocked, dot dot dot. That means there are some few words. Okay, I have not given you the words, few words. Maybe you will get in exam time the few words, so many words you will get, or this kind of line you will get. Okay, so you have to understand who said this or which is the line. She was shocked. Who was shocked? Means she means who? August himself, Summer, August's mother, or Summer's mother. You will get this at the end of the chapter and at the portion of Summer. Whenever the second part is narrated by Summer, in that portion you will get this answer. Who was shocked when she opened the door? August or Summer? August's mother or Summer's mother? Summer's mother, she was shocked. Okay, whenever she saw August's face and all. So I hope you can understand what type of question you will get in the exam from this chapter. And from grammar, already I have discussed so many types of question, from test and tense, from noun, for verb, for adjective, from anywhere. You already got the practices and you already have given the exam. So I hope you can do it, and please prepare yourself for your next exam. And till then, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Keep watching my videos, and best of luck for your next exam and for your practice test. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.